Looking for the best cordless drill or impact driver of 2026? We narrowed 5 serious contenders down to one overall winner. Our number 1 is the DEWALT DCD805 because it combines real drilling versatility, hammer drill capability, brushless performance, a half-inch metal chuck, and compact professional design. But there's a catch. Several of the tools in this ranking are actually impact drivers, so raw torque isn't everything. Let's count down the 5 best choices for US buyers. At number 5, we have the PATUOPRO 10mm cordless brushless electric drill. This is the budget-focused option in our lineup, aimed at homeowners, DIY users, furniture assembly, repairs, and everyday drilling. Its biggest advantage is versatility. Unlike a dedicated impact driver, the chuck accepts conventional drill and driver bits, while the 2-speed design gives you more control for different jobs. The listing specifies brushless operation, a 10mm chuck, and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries. Build quality and long-term performance are harder to verify than with the established brands, so I'd treat this as a value-oriented DIY choice rather than a professional benchmark. Also check the exact listing bundle, because the specified version is sold without a battery. Number 4 is the DEWALT DCF887, a proven brushless impact driver. This is not a conventional drill with a half-inch chuck. It is designed around fast, powerful screw and bolt driving. DEWALT's documentation lists 3 operating ranges, from precision driving at up to 1,000 RPM to high-speed impacting at up to 3,250 RPM, with maximum torque rated at 1,825 inch-pounds. That makes it a strong option for construction, fastening, renovation, and serious DIY work. Its biggest advantage is the established DEWALT platform. The downside is that newer impact drivers have moved the performance ceiling higher, which keeps this model at number 4. At number 3, the Makita DTD173 brings professional-level refinement. This 18-volt brushless impact driver is rated for up to 180 Newton-meters, or about 1,590 inch-pounds, with speeds up to 3,600 RPM and multiple impact settings. Makita also gives it 4-stage impact control, assist modes for wood, metal, and bolts, a slim 111mm body, and a ring-style LED designed to reduce shadows around the bit. The result is a tool focused on control as much as power. It's especially attractive for buyers already invested in the Makita 18V LXT ecosystem.
Number 2 is the DEWALT DCF860, and this one is a torque monster. DEWALT rates it at up to 2,500 inch-pounds of maximum torque, with a no-load speed reaching 3,800 RPM. It uses a brushless motor, a 1/4-inch quick connect hex chuck, 3 speed settings, and 9 built-in LEDs. For driving demanding fasteners quickly, it is arguably the most aggressive tool in this 5-product lineup. DEWALT even positions the DCF860 as its highest torque impact driver. So why isn't it number 1? Because this ranking is for electric drill machines overall, and the DCF860 is primarily an impact driver. It delivers tremendous fastening power, but it is less versatile than a true drill and hammer drill combination. And now, number 1, the DEWALT DCD805. This is the most complete tool in our ranking because it is a genuine brushless half-inch hammer drill and driver, not simply an impact driver. DEWALT specifies 2 speed ranges, up to 650 and 2,000 RPM, plus a metal ratcheting chuck, variable trigger, integrated hammer mode, and a compact 7-inch toolhead design. That means one tool can cover ordinary drilling, screw driving, and masonry applications without forcing you to choose an impact-only platform. For a US buyer who wants one versatile cordless machine for home improvement, serious DIY, and professional-style work, the balance of functionality, build quality, control, and versatility is what puts the DCD805 at number 1. So the final ranking is DCD805 at number 1, DCF860 at number 2, Makita DTD173 at number 3, DCF887 at number 4, and PATUOPRO at number 5. Product links are in the description. Prices, battery bundles, and availability can change, so check the current listing before buying. For more smart product comparisons, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer.